So today I want to talk about calisthenics, and personally, I'm very happy to see the rise of the sport in India. I personally also joined a calisthenics academy for the last 1 year, but when I sit on Instagram, I see a lot of academies being opening in different parts of the country. And just a few years back, I don't think many people even knew about it, or even if they knew about it, we did not have the facilities. Like in our parks, we usually don't have the kind of bars that are required. But when you go to other countries abroad, you see that even in their parks, they have been having these setups for a long, long time. And so, when I was young, I've always wanted to do it, but I could never find something to, somewhere to do it. And all we used to have in those parks were those kids, like the triangular hanging, that thing. So I used to just hang on that and just try to do some pull ups. But now we have dedicated academies that are opening up all over the city, and they are trainers. And you have really good trainers in these academies, people who have done this for a long time. And it's really great to see that now more people are coming to know about it. And now people are also considering this as an alternative to gym or sports. And because I think gym, other than sports like cricket and football, mostly gym used to be the thing which people did, and now people are also more into gym. But now we see that even calisthenics is being considered, and on Instagram there's also like a couple of foundations in a way which have like 16,000 members all over India. So it's becoming a big sport. So I'm personally very glad to see it. And so I made a list of cities that have academies. So these are the ones I could find, but I'm sure there are more than these. So I found the academies are in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Gurugram, Bangalore, UP. I found one in Muzaffarnagar in UP, and Pondicherry, Delhi, Pune, Mangalore, Noida, Madurai in Tamil Nadu, and Kolkata. So I think these are 12 cities I found academies in, but each of the cities also has multiple academies. So, and I'm sure there are others in different cities, but it's really great to see this coming up now. It's a great sport, actually. Like, if you have never done it, it's like a full body workout. It builds muscle, like lean kind of muscle, and it also builds strength. It's a complete sport. Like, for me, I feel it's a complete sport. And when you combine it with like workout sessions, which like my academy has, so we have skill day separately, but like on weekdays we also have like half an hour of skill. So where you do the skills on the bar, either it's a push or a pull thing, but there are other different kinds of interesting skills and which develop strength. And then we have like a 1 hour workout, which is also helpful in your stamina and endurance, like the overall body workout. So I like how these academies are also curating their workouts. Uh, so personally, I just wanted to make this video. I just want to promote the sport more. I've always liked the sport since I was young. I also, in other countries, I also see parkour, which is a kind of running, which is not there here. I mean, I'm sure people do it somewhere in India also, but like these things are now coming up and they're getting famous. So I just wanted to give a shout out to this and to all the people that do it. And I'm one of the people I'm somebody who does it too. And I mean, if you don't know about it, just go ahead and search some videos on YouTube. You might find it interesting. Uh, so yeah, that was just uh, my something I wanted to talk about on calisthenics.